This wonderful 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath home in Williamson County's sought-after neighborhood Enderley Point/Lad Park has an open floor plan. This home also has an office and a formal dining room, with a full bath on the main level. Upstairs you will find 3 spacious bedrooms with 2 full baths, a laundry room, and a loft area. Step out on the back deck and enjoy the views as you unwind from your busy day. Walk to the canoe launch on Harpeth River at the end of Rycroft. Lad Park offers 2 pools, 2 playgrounds, a basketball court and hiking trails. Super convenient to I-65. Price to sell. Bring us all offers. The property is not in a flood zone. See full details here. https://www.rochelleromines.com/listing/mlsid/282/property/2434947/